Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2243 refers to an issue with the air-fuel ratio sensor, AF sensor 1, specifically indicating that the VCENT circuit is experiencing high voltage. In Honda vehicles, such as the 2022 Civic, the AF sensor is vital for monitoring the ratio of air to fuel entering the engine. This information is crucial as it helps the Engine Control Unit, ECU, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion efficiency. The sensor's location is typically before the catalytic converter in the exhaust system. When the PCM detects resistance outside the specified normal range, it identifies an abnormal condition, leading to setting the DTC P2243. Understanding this fault is essential for correct diagnostics and maintaining the engine's performance and emissions. The air-fuel ratio sensor, AF sensor 1, serves a pivotal role in regulating the air-fuel mixture that enters the engine, feeding real-time data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, for optimizing performance and fuel efficiency. This sensor is usually positioned in the exhaust system just before the catalytic converter. The PCM interprets the data from this sensor, aiding in the adjustment of injector timing and air intake to ensure appropriate combustion. If the AF sensor's resistance deviates from its specified value, the PCM flags a fault, such as DTC P2243. Identifying the location and function of the AF sensor and PCM is crucial for diagnosing issues related to air-fuel ratio and subsequent vehicle performance. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC P2243 error code. Firstly, an open circuit in the VCENT wire may prevent the proper signal transmission between the AF sensor and the PCM. This can lead to high voltage readings that trigger the fault. Secondly, the PCM itself may be faulty, not correctly processing sensor inputs or failing to output proper commands to other vehicle systems. Finally, the issue may lie within the AF sensor itself. If the sensor is defective, it may output incorrect values, causing the PCM to misinterpret the air-fuel mixture conditions. Pinpointing the exact cause through systematic inspections aids in successful repairs. When dealing with DTC P2243, several observable symptoms may arise that indicate an issue with the air-fuel mixture. Comprehensively, the first symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a fault in the engine management system. Additionally, drivers may notice poor fuel economy as the engine struggles to achieve an ideal air-fuel ratio, resulting in inefficient combustion. Finally, a rough idle is another prevalent symptom, where the engine may run unevenly at low RPMs. Recognizing these symptoms early can lead to timely diagnostics and prevent further engine complications. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC P2243 requires a confirmation procedure. Start by starting the engine and allowing it to reach optimal operating conditions. Next, maintain the engine speed steadily at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load. This means the continuously variable transmission, CVT, should be in park or neutral. Or, if it's a manual transmission, ensure it is in neutral as well. This phase is crucial as it tests the system under a controlled, high-demand scenario until the radiator fan activates. Once the fan engages, letting the vehicle idle allows you to finalize this first step, setting the foundation for more detailed diagnostic tests. In the second step of troubleshooting for DTC P2243, an open wire inspection on the VCENT circuit is critical. Begin this process by ensuring the A/F sensor's 6-pin connector is disconnected to facilitate a proper inspection. The next step is to check for continuity or any signs of damage to the VCENT wiring. According to the specifications, the resistance in the circuit should be less than 1 ohm, indicating a healthy connection. Any significant deviation from this resistance reading may highlight a fault in the circuit, confirming a need for repairs. Systematically addressing this wiring inspection is vital for diagnosing circuit-related issues. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P2243 involves a focused inspection of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Before delving into this procedure, confirm the engine is running. Once validated, ensure that the connection to the AF sensor remains disconnected. In this step, you will be measuring the unit's output voltage to ascertain its proper function. When the engine is operational, the output voltage should read approximately 0.2 volts or more. If the readings are below this threshold, it may indicate a malfunction or defect within the PCM, which could contribute to the issues observed with the AF sensor. Evaluating the PCM thoroughly will help in determining the underlying problem. The final troubleshooting step for resolving DTC P2243 is to conduct a thorough inspection of the AF sensor, Sensor 1. If the previous inspection items have returned normal results, it strongly indicates the AF sensor might be at fault. Begin this inspection by testing the AF sensor's functionality to confirm whether it operates within the manufacturer's specifications. Assess performance metrics provided in the repair manuals, and compare them to observe if they align with expected values. Any discrepancies could point to a defective sensor, necessitating replacement. Proper understanding and inspection of the AF sensor's performance are critical to restore correct engine functionality and address the DTC adequately. Following the troubleshooting steps and implementing necessary repairs for DTC P2243, the next stage is to conduct a final repair verification. Utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the DTC from memory, ensuring that previous fault codes are reset. After clearing the codes, it is essential to test drive the vehicle under various conditions, simulating regular driving scenarios to observe if the symptoms reappear. Monitoring the vehicle will allow verification that the repair has been successful and that the check engine light remains off. Confirming that there is no reoccurrence of the issue is critical to validate the repairs conducted. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2243 in the future, implementing preventive maintenance measures is essential. Regular checks of the AF sensor should be part of scheduled vehicle maintenance, ensuring it operates within ideal parameters. Also, it is crucial to inspect wiring and connectors for wear, corrosion, or damage that may cause electronic faults over time. Keeping meticulous records of diagnostic reviews, including software updates and firmware diagnostics, can help in identifying potential issues before they escalate. Creating a routine maintenance schedule will not only enhance the longevity and performance of the engine, but will also ensure compliance with emission standards. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2243 and its impact on engine performance in Honda Civic 2022 Plus models is vital for ensuring optimal vehicle operation. Through systematic identification of symptoms, potential causes, and a structured troubleshooting process, mechanics can effectively diagnose and repair the issues associated with the high voltage condition in the AF sensor circuit. The roles of each component, such as the AF sensor and PCM, as we've detailed, play a significant part in maintaining engine efficiency. This comprehensive approach not only resolves current issues, but also prevents future occurrences by implementing preventive maintenance strategies. Ultimately, staying informed enables technicians to provide efficient and effective care for Honda vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.